Today's workplace task, can you reshare that with me, relates to our previous video. Can you email that file to me? Once your team gets used to sharing files instead of emailing them, the answer to this question is no. Once a document has been shared with you, it doesn't need to be reshared. You just need to know the quick ways to find it. I'm going to show you 3 options. The first is through Windows 11 itself. Search is really powerful across the Microsoft ecosystem, and I only need to start typing out the name of the file we're using in this demo, Work Party Planning, and there it is, quick and simple. The second is using chat in Teams. If you know the person who shared it or which group chat it was shared in, you can navigate to that chat, and up the top you can go to the Shared tab, and all of the files and links that have been shared with you will be there. The third option is through one of the Microsoft applications. In this case, I know it's a Word document, so I'll open Microsoft Word and again, use the search function, and there it is. If you can't remember the name of the file, you can go down to the Shared With Me link and see all the files that people have shared with you. So, no more searching through overflowing inboxes anymore, and you'll never have to ask, hey, can you reshare that file with me again?